Hey guys, this is Jonathan from Fitness for Freedom. The other day I walked in the gym and I saw a guy running like this. I wish I was kidding, but I'm not. In today's video, we're going to talk about what holding onto the handles actually does for the difficulty of the workout when we look at your heart rate, okay? Now, if holding onto the handles makes you feel comfortable or you feel really uncomfortable when you're on the treadmill and you need to hold onto the handles, then by all means, hold onto the handles. But it's going to make the exercise a lot easier. So as you can see here, my heart rate was about 106 just a second ago, and now I've hopped onto the treadmill and I'm walking at an incline of 12 and a speed of 4, okay? And as you can see here, my heart rate is slowly starting to climb, okay? We're just gonna give it a few seconds here as I'm walking. So we're up to 113 right now going along. So we're definitely trending where my heart rate is definitely trending up, okay? 117, 122, okay? I'm not gonna wait till it levels off because it's probably gonna take a little while. But what happens when we hold on to the handles, okay? Now I'm holding on to the handles, which I see a lot of people do at the gym, okay? And if you'll notice here, okay, so 129, it was residual, so my heart rate was gonna continue to go up. But as you'll notice here, is that it's 128, my heart rate is going to slowly start to go back down again. And that's because I'm holding on to the handles. 120. Okay, let's just give it a couple more cycles through and then we'll see here. 110. Okay, let's just do 112. So maybe I'll level off at around 110 or 112. I suspect this one won't go down anymore. 103, okay, so there it is. All right, now, when you're walking on the treadmill or running on the treadmill, when you're holding on to the handles, what that's doing is it's taking your load off. So your legs don't have to do the work. Your arms are pulling yourself up, so you're not getting the same intensity of training that you could be getting. So the next time you do a treadmill workout or a stepper workout, if you can do it without holding on to the handles, I think you'll find that it's a lot more challenging and you'll get a lot more out of your workout. And if you're spending the time exercising anyway, you might as well get the highest benefit out of it that you absolutely can, because I don't want to see you wasting your time. Now, if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please subscribe to our channel or like our page, because we deliver content just like it every week. Take care, and we'll talk to you next time.